Welcome to an introduction to using research to inform educational practice. My name is Mark Rickinson and I'm an Associate Professor in the Faculty of Education here at Monash University and Director of the Monash Q Project. Before we start, I'd like to acknowledge the Wurundjeri and Bunurong people of the Kulin Nation, the traditional owners of the lands on which Monash University now stands, and I pay my and our respects to their elders, past, present and emerging. We are very excited to be able to bring this short course to you. As a 15-hour online self-guided learning experience, it features a range of different components, including videos, readings, examples from educators, advice from education system leaders, research articles and reports, and lots of activities, reflections and guidance about how using research can be applied to your practice. The course has been designed as a sequence of 5 self-guided learning modules to move through at your own pace. So Module 1 is about understanding the purpose and context of using research. Module 2 then moves you into understanding research quality and types. Module 3, accessing quality research. Module 4 then, appraising research for rigour and relevance. And Module 5, thoughtful engagement with and implementation of research. And there's an order to the programme, with the content of each module following on from that of the previous one, so that your learning builds as you progress through the course. Remember to click Mark as Done once you have completed each section, so that your progress will be recorded. And some modules involve a quiz, and you'll need to get 80% correct. However, you can complete the quiz as many times as you need. So this short course comes out of the Monash Q Project. And the Q Project is a 5-year partnership between Monash University and the Paul Ramsay Foundation to understand and improve the use of research in Australian schools. So through surveys and interviews with teachers, school leaders and system leaders across 4 states and 5 jurisdictions, the project has investigated how research evidence is used in schools and, really importantly, how to support educators to better use that evidence in their practice. So this short course has been developed by myself and my colleagues at the Q Project, including Joe Gleeson, Blake Cutler and Genevieve Hall. And you will also hear through the course from other experts throughout the course and the modules. The course has been designed as an introductory learning experience for those who want to learn more about how they can use research to inform their practice. It was co-designed by educators and system leaders from around Australia, so it really captures the voices and perceptions of teachers, school leaders and other educators. And the design of the programme also reflects key insights gained through our research activities within the Q Project and trials of a professional learning programme with educators in 2022. And we know that helping to improve the use of research in education is critical for at least 3 reasons. 1, we know that research use is important. If you look internationally, there's increasing recognition that research-engaged schools are a hallmark of high-performing systems. 2, we know that using research is not straightforward. Using research well in practice is highly skilled work, and so it needs to be supported through professional learning like this short course. We also know that quality use of research is easily overlooked. All too often the conversations are about whether we use research, but not how well we use research. So this course aims to respond to all of these 3 issues, to recognise the importance of research-informed practice, to take seriously the professional nature of using research in practice, and to shift the conversation from whether we use research to how well we use research. This short course is based on the CURE framework, which conceptualises quality use of research evidence in education. As this diagram shows, quality use of research evidence in education involves the thoughtful engagement with and implementation of appropriate research evidence. And that process needs to be supported by individual enabling components of skill sets, mindsets and relationships, as well as the organisational components of leadership, culture, infrastructure, and of course, plus system level influences. there's another video in this section for you to watch which explains more about the quality use of research evidence, or CURE framework. As finally, this course has been designed to meet the Australian professional standards for teachers at the highly accomplished and lead level by focusing on using research to understand, 1, how students learn, 2, to engage in professional learning through accessing and critiquing relevant research, and 3, engaging with colleagues to analyse current research and practice. You will receive a certificate of completion once you've completed all of the modules, and we hope you enjoy the course and wish you the best of luck with it. Thank you.